In case you didn't already know, TikTok Organic is by far the best way to get started with dropshipping. It's actually easier than you think to create viral videos that generate sales for your brand. You just need the right strategy. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I create viral TikToks for my own brands that have generated over 6 figures in sales without running any sort of paid ads. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. My name's Alex, let's get right into it. So I'm about to give you guys my 6-step process that I use on every single TikTok video I post. And if you follow this exact framework, you're bound to go viral on your own. But I want to start by giving you guys some tips and best practices that you can use to improve your own videos starting today. So I want to start with one of the most important topics. Every video you post needs to have good, high quality lighting. And for reasons I can't explain, your TikToks will perform so much better if you just go outside. If you have nice weather on a sunny day, those TikTok videos will perform so much better than using artificial indoor lighting. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you can't post TikTok videos from inside, but 9 times out of 10, if you just go outside, your videos will perform so much better. Give it a try and let me know what you think. You guys always want to have a good backdrop or a content studio setup to film all of your products. I'm not saying you need anything fancy. You don't need to go out and spend thousands of dollars on equipment. You guys can spend anywhere between $20 and $100 on Amazon to order backdrops, lights, props, or anything else you need. Another tip I have for you guys is to add a touch of controversy to your videos. Don't say anything offensive or too out there. The point of this is to drive engagement to your videos and get people to comment on them. The more likes and comments you have on your videos, the more TikTok will show them to other people. And this is exactly what you want. You guys will see brands doing this time and time again, so give it a try yourself. And one more thing, if you guys have a TikTok shop account already set up, link products to your videos because TikTok actually pushes these even more than just regular videos because they get a commission from each sale that they make you. You guys will always find that linking a product to your videos will always perform so much better than not doing so. Now let's talk about my 6-step process for creating viral content. You guys want to focus on each one of these topics for every single video you create. Number 1, each video you post must have a strong hook. You guys need to create a scroll stopping hook that stops the viewers in their tracks from scrolling on to the next video. With billions of TikToks posted each and every day, attention spans are short and you just have a few seconds to grab your viewers' attention. There are a variety of ways to do this. I recommend doing some research in your own niche to see what's working for other brands. Number 2, you need fast and engaging content. Just like a good hook stops the viewers from scrolling in their tracks, you need to keep their attention once you gain it. I recommend switching scenes in your video every 1 to 4 seconds, with 3 seconds being the sweet spot. Make sure you have good transitions and graphics and overall content. And make sure you make each and every video about your customer, not your product, not useless features or benefits, but what it can do for them and what results it can actually get them. But just keep in mind, if you guys have boring content, it's not going to go viral and you won't make any sales. Number 3, you guys want to remake viral videos in certain trends in your own niche with your own unique touch. You guys want to look at other videos that are working in your own niche and make similar ones. You guys don't want to recreate them word for word or reuse videos or anything like that. But if it's currently working for other brands, it should work for you. Number 4, we already touched on this a little bit, but you need to make it about your customer or your target audience. They don't care about your products. They don't care about your brand. They only care about what's in it for them. So make it about what your product can do for them and only create engaging content that they're interested in. Make sure you provide value to every single person who watches your video. Number 5, you need to stay consistent. The more you post, the better chances you have of going viral. And also the more you post, the better you'll get with each and every video you make. You guys want to post 2 to 5 times each day, and you'll start to notice that some videos perform better than others. So make sure to double down on that content and create similar videos for your products. Keep posting every day and you're bound to go viral. And the more viral videos you have, the more sales you'll make. And number 6, you guys need to use viral sounds. This significantly increases your chances of going viral. Test out different sounds with each video you post. You guys can find them all ranked on TikTok for you. You guys can also spy on your competitors to see what sounds they're currently using. But don't use a sound on your video if it doesn't make any sense just because it's viral right now. Everything needs to be consistent and your sounds need to match your videos. So if you guys follow all of these steps, you'll be able to go viral with just about every TikTok video you post. So as a quick recap, every video you post needs to have high quality lighting. It's better to go outside. A good backdrop or a content studio. It's always a good idea to add a touch of controversy and link TikTok Shop products to your videos. You always need to have a good hook, as well as fast and engaging content. You always want to remake viral videos in certain trends with your own unique twist. Only make videos about your customer or your target audience, not about your products or your brand. Use viral sounds on all of your videos, and stay consistent. Keep posting 2 to 5 times every single day. By following all of these tips, you'll be able to go viral and generate sales for your own dropshipping stores. By following this exact process, you guys will be able to go viral in any niche that you choose. If you guys want to learn more about TikTok organic and dropshipping in general, I have a free course linked down below that'll help you get started. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.